right, let's go in the shop and see what's going on. So, some people have asked what's going on with the printer. Is it working? Is it not? Yeah, the printer is working. That printer, obviously, you've seen the title. It's the Canon TC20. So yeah, that printer is working. We did print head checks, and you know what? Let me show it to you. But while you're here, like and subscribe. This is Levi Apparel, and let's do a print head check on that printer to give you an update, let you know what's going on. All right, cool. And it's getting ready to do a what's that thing called? Wait, come on, brain. Nazle check print. That's the word I'm looking for. Bam. So let's get that going. Ready? Oh, also, if you're wondering how I'm keeping this place warm, there it is right here. There it is right here. Right? You see it? You see it? Let me turn off the light. There it is. Bam. All three of them lighting up so we can get this shop heated. All right? Cool. All right. So that's what's going on. We got heat. We got printer printing. Pretty soon it's initializing still. All right. All right, cool. So it's printing now. Here it is. Come on, baby. Bam. 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 Who said that this printer cannot print still? Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Obviously, look at this. 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 I told y'all. I told y'all. Listen. Canon, now it's asking me, is everything good? We good? Okay. We don't need any more print head nozzle check. Now the printer's sitting pretty. It's getting warmed up by the heater. It's sitting pretty. It's getting warmed up by the heater, and it's sitting pretty. Let's take a look at that real quick. By the way, because it's sublimation ink, it's going to look a little bit more faded. But bam, there you go. The black is in order. The blue, the red, the yellow. What more can we ask for? What more can we ask for? Look at that. Bam. For all y'all haters that said, I don't know about converting this printer. And guess what? I can sublimate this right now if I wanted to, even though it's on paper. Yeah. So here we go. Here we go. Right now my HP, my Cricut Air 2 is just sitting there because it doesn't have a purpose right now, but it will soon. It will soon. You know what I'm saying? The printer's initializing still, getting everything set, doing this print head check, making sure everything's in order. Now it's just sitting back and chilling. Chilling. This goes on print mode, and then once it does, sleep mode, and then it just relaxes. Listen, I got a lot going on, but one thing I'm not going to let mess me up is a printer. This printer, by the way, in case you're wondering, if there's any issue with it, you call the manufacturer. The manufacturer will definitely 100% do a print check with you. Everything's well. Then it's going to proceed to let you know, hey, you're good to go. If not, what it's going to do is going to do a print head clean. If nothing's happening, it's going to help you to tell the system, flush the whole system out. So that's an update of the Canon TC. I gotta look at it because it's been a while since I seen it. Since I Canon all right. Image Pro. What does it say? Anyways, mine's a little funny because it's a little bit far. Anyways, it's the Canon TC20. All right, Canon TC20, whatever. All right, so check it out. You see my how to converter already. Get yourself one. It uses the roll printer. So it's a roll printer. So those are the rolls sitting back there waiting for orders, right? So hey, go on my website, go check it out, go order something, especially sublimation. It'll be under digital. But anyways, just go check out the web. Hey guys, what's up? Just got this right here from A-Dub Production. Alright, bro. It's amazing. Amazing. Look at this. Bam. Bam. Yeah, so just want to let you know I got it. The fit, nice, snug. Alright. Got the hoodie. All set. Bam. Ready for this winter. Yeah. Here it is. That's the fit. All right, cool. All right, hey guys, go check it out, man. Go check my guy A-Dub Production and go buy his merch. All right, peace.